How to activate deactivated Instagram account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram. It will land you on this homepage of Instagram. Make sure that your application is up to date. Now let's say you have already deactivated your account and you want to reactivate your account again. In order to do so, you don't have to do any other thing other than entering your login credentials. In this section, simply enter your username of the account that you have deactivated. Once you have entered either the password, well, if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on Forgot Password. It will send you one verification mail on your email address or send the confirmation code on your phone number. Once you get that confirmation code, you will be able to reset your password and then log into your account. Once you have entered both username and the password, click on Sign In. Wait for a while for it to activate. And there you go, your account has been activated successfully. So that's it, and this is simply how you can activate your deactivated account. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.